Welcome to Kavikidsworld. Let's learn and have fun. Welcome to Kavikidsworld Kitchen. Today we're making yummy pizza.
First, we wash our hands. Let's get our pizza ingredients and pizza base. Spread the tomato sauce all around. A little oil makes it tasty. Add colorful toppings to make it fun. Sprinkle the cheese. Cheesy, cheesy! One more sprinkle! Now the pizza goes into the oven. Watch the pizza bake. Melty, melty cheese! Our pizza is ready! Look how yummy! Wow! Like, follow, share Kavikidsworld!